friends, today's recipe is cluster beans recipe, Indian beans. Very simple and easy, and the tasty beans and healthy, and this is a lot of fiber and very healthy recipe. Okay friends, let's begin the process now. I am making cluster bean sabji, the Indian beans. For that, added 2 tablespoon oil, all the tempering sheets and curry leaves, dry red chilli inside, and the 2 teaspoon gram dal I added. Just mix. Tempering is done, so I'm adding onion. Let onion cook for 2 minutes. Onions are soft now. I'm adding 1 tomato. Adding garlic, ginger, coriander leaf paste, 1 tablespoon. Just cook for 2 minutes. Yes, tomato soft. This is 500 grams cluster beans. It's a cluster beans. I cut and washed and boiled and kept it ready. So I'm adding dry spices, including this is 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds powder. I'm adding all together. I'm going to give the ingredients list in the description box. Please check it. Just cook for 1 minute. I'm also adding beans. Just mix and cook. Just add half cup of water to the spices have to cook. And you should cook on medium flame like a 10 to 15 minutes. Beans is already boiled first. And check the salt and chili powder according to your own taste. If you need more or less, you can add it. This sabji you can enjoy with parathas or puri, chapati, or with rice also. Very, very nice. I made daal also, with the daal recipe also. You can see some daal recipes in my channel. Mix in between 1 or 2 times. Mix. Salt is less. I'm adding another half teaspoon more salt. It's been 15 minutes. The bean sabji is ready. I'm switching off the flame and transferring to the serving dish. Here is yummy, healthy cluster bean sabji is ready to enjoy. Here is yummy, tasty cluster bean sabji is ready to enjoy. Hope you all going to like this cluster bean sabji. If you all like, please do not forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel.